Chapter 26. The Parliamentary System. A government has mainly three organs: legislature, to make laws; executive, to give effects to the laws; and judiciary, to interpret the laws. In India, we have the parliamentary system, in which the legislature and the executive are closely linked. The members of the executive are drawn for the legislature in India, and the executive is responsible to the legislature. The Parliament. The Indian Parliament consists of the President and the two houses of Parliament, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. The Parliament and the two houses form the Union Legislature. Lok Sabha. The Lok Sabha is called the House of the People. This is because its members are elected directly by the people. Composition. There are total 552 seats in the Lok Sabha. Out of these, 530 members are elected from the state and 20 members are elected from the Union Territories. President of India can nominate 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community if he feels that the community is not adequately represented. At present, the Lok Sabha consists of 545 members, including the 2 nominated Anglo-Indian members. Eligibility. In order to become a member of the Lok Sabha, a candidate must be a citizen of India, not less than 25 years of age. A candidate can be disqualified if he holds an office of profit under the Government of India or the government of any state. He is of an unsound mind. He has acquired the citizenship of another country. Term. Normally, the tenure of the members of the Lok Sabha is 5 years. Procedure for election. Members of the Lok Sabha are elected through the general elections. Elections take place every 5 years. For the purpose of elections, the country is divided into constituencies. A constituency is a geographical area represented by a member of parliament. Only one person is elected from each constituency. All citizens who have attained the age of 18 years or above have the right to vote. Speaker. The members of parliament elect the presiding officer or the speaker of the Lok Sabha from among themselves. The speaker is chosen from the ruling party. Rajya Sabha. The Council of States or the Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament. Composition. There can be a maximum of 250 members in the Rajya Sabha, out of which 238 members represent the state and the union territories. Members of the state legislative assemblies elect members of the Rajya Sabha. The vice president is the presiding officer or chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Eligibility. In order to become a member of the Rajya Sabha, a candidate must be a citizen of India, not less than 30 years of age. A candidate can be disqualified if he holds any office of profit under the Government of India or the government of any state. He is of unsound mind. He has acquired the citizenship of another country. Term. The member of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years. 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years. Functions of the Parliament. The Parliament performs several functions. Some of them are introduction of new laws, financial control over the government's income, control over the executive, organ of information, introduction of new laws. The Parliament can introduce new laws and change the old ones. A law is first introduced in the form of a bill. A bill is the draft of a proposed law. The bills can be broadly classified into 3 categories. They are money bill, ordinary bills, constitutional amendment bills. Financial control over the government's income. The Parliament exercises strict vigilance over the finances of the state.